Jumping in, fam. I have my contacts in already, so we're nice and safe. And the first thing I'm going to do is start with the body. So I'm going in with Anastasia's Shimmer Body Oil, which is amazing. And it has a lot of gold glitter and flecks in it. So it really like helps translate this like, mummy vibe. And then I'm putting this necklace on. I will have them linked down in the description box below. It's a jewelry company. I love it. So the first thing you want to do is take your favorite bronzer. Any bronzer will do. And I'm just sweeping it into the crease. So this brown here from the Norvina palette has something to blend into. So with a small fluffy brush, I'm just starting on the outer corner of the eye, and I'm just wiggling that in. And you can see these shadows, they blend so softly, and I'm just buffing that all the way into the inner corner. As you guys can see here, we're going dark. We're going heavy. You know what I mean? It's Halloween. Why not? So now I'm just taking that same bronzer from before, and I'm using that to blend out that the dark brown eyeshadow, just to help give you a nice diffused edge. And then I'm going in with a more condensed brush, and I'm packing that brown shadow back on again, just to get it nice and dark. So this black that we're applying now has something to blend out to, and I'm winging it out on that outer corner, similar to that I did to the female mummy. And I'm also applying that black to the inner corner. Now I'm taking the House Labs Gold, which is a liquid powder pigment or shadow, and I'm applying that to the middle of my lid and looking up, and that will give you that guideline so you know exactly where to blend it so it doesn't transfer, and you guys can place it exactly where you want it to stay so it looks nice with a closed eye. And then with the brush, I'm just blending that in to all of those shadows. I'm taking a little bit of gold pigment now, and I'm just applying that to the inner corner of the eye. It's a different gold than the lid, but still a gold eyeshadow, just to give a little bit of a two-tone vibe. Cool. Feeling it. So now I'm taking a little bit of black eyeliner, just your normal stock, no big, and then buffing that out with a pencil brush just to get a nice diffused edge. Don't worry about making it too dark, because you'll go in now with that same brown eyeshadow used earlier to diffuse out that black. I'm having some serious eye-watering hooded eye problems, but whatever. So I'm taking that same gold that we used before, and I'm applying that to the lower lash line right in the center to help break up some of that heavy black, and then blending that in with a brush, and it gives you that like super stunning gold like amazingness. I just live. So now I'm contouring with that same bronzer with a little bit of a darker shadow too, and I'm just like going to really heavily contour. Since we are going to be making them wearing a mask, we're not going to obviously need too much because you won't be able to see it. And once you get that contour on there, my favorite way to diffuse that is to take a highlighting powder, which you guys can see me doing now, and I'm applying that to the center, and that will help diffuse that contour and then also bring light to the center of the face. Love it. And now I'm taking that same brown, and I'm just sweeping it into the brow bone area just to create, I want it darker, more demonic. And then just finishing off with a clear brow gel. This one's by Anastasia. Just comb those babies. And now I'm applying some black. I'm applying black really heavy into that inner corner, right into that brow bone, and then sweeping it down on the nose. And I feel like that gives like a little bit of a dead vibe. It was very menacing, especially when you pull that brown eyeshadow out like to the temple. I don't know. I just really liked it. It gave me like Anubis vibe, so I was feeling it. See? So now I'm taking a little bit of a highlighter. This one is by Makeup Forever. It's a gold. Yeah, of course, gold is the theme, the theme here. And I'm applying that just to your regular highlighting places, but I'm really applying it a lot heavier than I would in beauty makeup because I really want it to shine. And then I'm also sweeping that into the inner corner just to give a little bit of a two-tone dimension. Since we have that really intense yellow gold and now we have like a little bit of a lighter gold, I really think it helped I don't know, it was more menacing. And then when you spray your face, the highlights get even more intense. And then once my face was a little bit wet and tacky, I applied a little bit more highlighter to the cheekbone to really intensify that because I wanted to like glow from within, you know? And then I'm just touching up the makeup with a little bit of powder, and then we're going to go on to the hair. This is an easy one because of the mask. I love it. So I'm taking Sexy Hair is Surfer Girl, and I'm applying that to my hair just to really enhance this Caesar style. It gives me that dry texture and really helps my hair hold and just have all of that movement that you guys can see. I love the movement. I'm all about it. I'm just applying more where need be just to keep it nice and grounded and thick. And then I'm taking this this gold glitter called Bling It On, and I love it. I'm spraying that all over my hair, and you guys get a little bit of that glitter texture. And then we're going to finish off with this mask by Gilded Official. I absolutely love them. Their work is so incredible, and thank you so much for sending me your goodies. I'll have them linked in the description box below. But that's the finished video, my friends. I really hope you guys like this one. This one was pretty quick and relatively straightforward since it was essentially a smoky eye with all of these really cool accessories by Gilded. But definitely check the description box where you can get that jewelry and then also all of the super duper sexy hair bling because it's just, I mean, the look, it completed the look. I like just lived for that glitter. I even put some on my body, but don't tell anybody because it's hairspray. But that's the finished look, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.